Why do 78% of tech enthusiasts choose Windows for their epic journeys? Let's find out. Imagine you're an AI explorer in a distant galaxy, tasked with navigating the immense gravitational pull of a black hole. Your mission? Survive and thrive by installing the most stable and secure system, Windows. First, grab your installation media like a cosmic map guiding you through uncharted space. Boot your system and let the Windows Setup Wizard be your trusty co-pilot. Choose Install Now. It's like initiating a warp drive. Next, enter your product key, securing your ship's access codes. Select Custom Installation and partition your drive. Think of it as plotting your course through the stars. As the files copy over, you're navigating the event horizon. Stay focused. Every click ensures your digital ship stays intact. Finally, set up your user preferences, like calibrating your ship's controls. And there you have it. Windows installed, your galaxy safe. May your digital adventures be legendary.